Today guys medyo chill lang tayo. No? It's going to be more of a little bit more of a podcast style. And gusto ko lang i-introduce sa inyo yung bagong ino-offer ni Smart, which is the KIQ, no? It's a new app na pwede ka mag-download ng eSIM to use it sa yung mga phone that is eSIM capable. Now, nag-take off naman siya, and mostly tina-target nila is yung mga Gen Z with its really attractive the package. And today share ko sa inyo yung aking experience with this one, and it has some good and some bad experience. So pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. So, itong KIQ Mobile na to, lumabas to siguro roughly isang buwan na nakaraan. And I've been using it since the day na lumabas siya. I bought 3 KIQ numbers, isa para sa asawa ko, isa sa akin, isa sa anak ko. And I've been using yung free customization niya, which is, I think it cost me around mga 195 pesos for 20 gigs of data na 28 days. You can freely customize kung anong gusto ninyo. Sobrang okay siya, no? For me, as a consumer, it was really good. For the first 2 weeks, magandang sagap ko. And I would say na, mukhang okay to I can use it as my backup na internet. Ginagamit ko siya pang tether sa aking main device. Now, after 2 weeks where things start to get really bad. No. Connecting to KiQ App, sometimes ang bagal, tagal mag-load. Then second is yung kanyang package. Now, if you subscribe to 28 days na package, you can only buy some top-ups, mga add-ons na boosters. Hindi ka pwede bumili ng panibagong package. Kahit nasimot mo na ang data mo, yung 20 gig mo within wala pang 28 days, you have to wait for 28 days bago ka pwede kumuha ng panibagong package, which is sobrang hassle. No? You have to keep buying boosters. Wala ka tapos ng boosters, no? Of course, parang doon na sila buwabawi sa'yo. Given na yung first 2 weeks niya, smooth, no? Yung experience ko as, alam naman, content creator tayo, we upload, we download a lot of things. So, yung nakikita ko naman is speed ng downloading tsaka uploading ko. It was quite good and decent. Comparable sa mga smart na offerings, I would say, kasi si smart network din naman siya ang customer service is also asterisk 888. Now, after 2 weeks where things start to become really bad. Now, after 2 weeks, sabihin ko sa inyo na yung experience ko pag-browse, yun ang isa sa pinaka hindi ko nagustuhan is yung browsing experience. Sobrang bumagal, no? Pag nagda-download ka, bumagal, nag-upload ka, mas bumagal pa. Pag nagsisend ka ng messages sa Messenger, makita mo sending. Normally, for the first 2 weeks, pag pindot mo ng message, send agad. Ngayon, hindi. You have to wait for 5 seconds, and sometimes the worst, siguro abot ng 10 to 15 seconds bago masasend out yung message. And what I did, ginagawa ko, mag-on lang ako ng phone ulit to try natin to refresh, pero it's the same, no? It used to be really nice and smooth dito sa Malabon, and of course dun sa area ko sa Quezon City was also pretty okay naman siya, no? And right now, I would say na talagang sobrang nag-deteriorate ang kanilang service. I'm not sure kung dahil maraming gumagamit na ng KiQ na offering or dahil mura siya, so you get mura na service nga talaga. At first, it was really good kasi pang-attract ng customer. Pero after that, it was nowhere near yung first 2 weeks experience ko. And if you're planning to buy itong SIM, which is, wala namang bayad itong SIM na to. All you need to do is SIM register, download mo yung app, KiQ App, mag-SIM register ka, bayad ka ng kung anong package gusto mo, and makukuha mo ng QR code. Salpak mo lang sa phone mo and you'll be using it in no time. Ganun lang kadali. And kung walang eSIM yung phone mo, you can always buy yung nire-recommend ko na Smart Multi-SIM na package, which is 119 pesos lang. Pwede ka mag-host ng 5 eSIM. Sobrang convenient yun, guys. Sinabi ko sa inyo, no? That's one of my highly recommended na product from Smart. This is Smart Multi-SIM. And well, honestly, masasabi ko sa inyo na pag balak mo kumuha ng KiQ SIM ngayon, pag-isipan mo. The service is really bad. So, shout out kay Smart. Hopefully, ayusin nyo to. Kasi, kahit mag-speed test ako dito sa Malabon, maabot naman ako ng 300 Mbps download speed and 100 plus na upload speed. Pero yung experience ko is nowhere near those numbers. Kasi talagang, masasabi ko sa'yo, gapang talaga siya. Guys, sobra. Kasi, when I'm downloading ng first 2 weeks ng roughly 2 gig na file from Google Drive, it takes me siguro around mga 5 to 6 minutes. Pero ngayon kung magda-download ka na isang file dito sa Malabon area, 30-40 minutes. Talagang ang layo na ng pinagbago nila. Sobrang nag-deteriorate talaga yung kanilang service. So, hopefully maayos ni Smart yan, giving us a better experience. Kasi yung first 2 weeks talagang mabilis eh. And ngayon wala na. So, what I did is binago ko APN yan, kasi there's 2 APN ng Smart, internet or Smart Bro. So kahit palitan mo, it's still the same. So another thing na magiging nakakainis is also wala siyang voice over LTE, which is important for many of us. Kasi pagpunta mo ng some other areas na wala ng legacy na 3G tsaka 2G, so aasa ka nga talaga sa voice over LTE, which is supported na most of the phones right now. And hindi mo pwede activate sa yung KIQ number, which is another downside, kasi si dito, si Globe, si Smart, okay naman pero si wala talaga, So there are a lot of cons dito sa KIQ right now. Kaya medyo hindi ko ina-advise na bumili kayo nitong SIM na ito. Kahit libre siya, you just need to pay for the package. Pero yung headache na dadaanan nyo in using their services is really bad, lalo na pagdating ko sa Quezon City, ang speed test ko roughly umabot lang ng minsan 1 Mbps lang download speed, pero most of the time nasa 9 or 10 Mbps pag nasa-speed test ako, which is pretty bad compared sa Gomo, compared sa Smart, compared sa TM, or compared sa Globe. And talagang sobrang bad ng kanyang upload and download speed kahit naka 5G siya. It's really bad. It's really slow. So, if you're asking me right now kung kamusta naman services ng KIQ, as of now, ayoko na muna siyang gamitin kasi it's really a pain. ang sakit isipin na bumili ka ng 3 and right now, hindi mo siya mapakinabangan kasi hindi talaga okay ang kanilang service. So, I would highly recommend na bumili nila kayo ng ibang SIM like Gomo, Smart SIM, mas okay ng mga services nila as compared dito sa sub-brand ni Smart, which is KIQ. It's more parang naka-target sa mga Gen Z na naghanap ng murang data. Mura nga, mapapamura ka nga sa mura, So yun lang masasabi ko sa inyo, guys, If you're a KIQ user, kamusta ang experience ninyo? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, do give me a like and of course subscribe sa aking channel. Share nyo rin itong video na ito for people who are planning to get KIQ Mobile. This is a real talk, real review ng KIQ Mobile from Smart. So hanggang dito na lang muna ako, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.